It's been a long morning.
Okay, guys, we officially just started our trip. Okay, and this is my vlog. Don't get in it. So let's be adventurous. Gigantic body of water. This is amazing. Amazing. Yeah, there's no way we're in bear country.
Yeah.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever in my life. Okay.
The entire walking route from the
Let me see
back
this.
to the visitor center is 2 miles.
2 miles?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Okay, let's explore.
This must be the visitor center.
I don't want to visit.
Okay. Spence, you need the restroom down.
No, I don't need it. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, so now that we just saw the necessary rules, we are beginning.
Yep.
Hey, this is my vlog. This is my channel, bro, not yours. Yeah, this is steep. There goes my mom. What is this over here? Glacier boulder? This is a boulder from a glacier? There's no way this is real. Wow, it's a rock. It's crazy how they got this thing here. We could like go in there. It's a cave. Oh crap.
This looks high, huh?
This is steep.
Wow.
This is steep. Look at this. Holy, I'm gonna fall. Not the side. I'm going to fall right down here. Look how damn steep this is.
Why? Yeah, you are. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is a mountain. Guys, you think this is fun? I'm barely trekking down the damn mountain trying not to get tripped. Guys, I know it doesn't look that steep, but this is way steeper than looks.
Oh my God, Spence, careful, please. It is very steep. Oh, you can see the gorge down there, folks. Very pretty. Very, very pretty.
So, say I don't have time to read that. Okay guys, so we are going to be exploring and there's this gigantic shed over here, so we're going to see what is in it. This is what it looks like. This gigantic creek down there. Look at that. It's nice. Again. Oh, would you look at that? There's even these stairs made out of rocks. Nice. Okay guys, we just came across Table Rock. And it's just this big creek over here. Guys, we're so close now. Okay guys, we are now. We're way close to the actual water. I think we can touch the water. But I'm not
Beautiful. So pretty.
to the tall rocks. As you can see, look, this is the platform. This is scary. We're levitating in the water right now. I feel like I'm gonna fall. Guys, watch this. Look, all of the water falling off the sides of the wall. And look at it. This has been going on for a long time. Look at it. See how tall the walls are starting to get. This is just bare rock.
It is. And we're
We
walking on.
went to being in a dirt path.
See what?
We went to being in a dirt path and like a jungle.
It feels like we're in another world. This is beautiful.
I'm getting wet.
You
Are
are?
you getting wet?
Not yet.
Going up the walls?
Wow.
Yeah, that's hot. Real rock.
Yep, it definitely is.
That's in it by default and there. Oh! Holy shit, look at that. Look, it's a whole waterfall up there. Nah, you do it. No, no.